Welcome to the channel, squad. It's spooky season and it's time for Gigi's favorite set of the year. Yeah, I did just talk about myself in the third person. That's a little weird, but we're gonna transcend that. we're gonna paint 2 nails red, 3 nails purple, and yes, it's witch bath time. I love the witch bath nails. They're my favorites ever since I thought of the idea. I love the witch bath nails. So what we're doing is mixing up some colors. I'm making them a little dark. Because I really want these to be dark and glow from within, and I'm really pleased with how they came out. Now I am mixing up some black, but here's the thing. I don't really use it as much as I thought I was going to. So we end up thinning it out a little bit later. Also, two things. My ring light, actually probably three things. My ring light kind of took a poop. So I'm going to try to fix it. It's shorting out. I'm going to try to fix it or buy a new one. But for right now, the lighting is a little off, and I apologize. And maybe that's why I had a little bit of the camera. Okay, this is something I did on this nail and no other. I was adding a little bit of black glitter. In the end, you don't really see it, so I did not continue that trend through the rest of the nails. I'm only going to show you two of the nails. We're going to keep this one short and sweet because they're all extremely similar. It's a glitter encapsulation, really, is what this set is. But the way that we're doing it and the theme that we're using is witch bath. There you go. So I'm just adding some chunky glitters. As you can see right here, we have got some more colors of chunky glitters. We've also got those 4-pointed stars, and I thought we would add a couple of those into each nail just for fun, because here's what I'm thinking with this particular witch bath set. We put in the leaves because it is a fall set as well, and I can really envision a witch crumbling some leaves that would give her a benefit into her set or into her bath. And then the rest of it I really just see as, and here's another thing, that this is what I mixed up the black for. Sorry to interrupt myself. And I don't really do it much on the rest of the nails. I put it a little bit in the second one you're going to see, but then I just stopped doing it. And you can't really tell when you look at all the nails, so it was kind of a wasted step. But here's the thing, is that when you're doing art or absolutely anything, trial and error, that's the key. So I just transcend feeling upset about it. There's no reason to do that. Anyway, the rest of the stuff after the leaves is her magic, right? All of the glitter and the glow, and there's flakies in here and star glitter, like I said, and just different colors of glitter. And I feel like that glow from within that you get from the glitter is really her magic in the water. In her bath, her magic swirls around her and renews her and brings her to a happier, more witchy place. There you go. So now that black, I'm just thinning it out a little bit with some more clear, just so that we have that really clear, sheer black color. And that's what we're going to encapsulate with. I'm putting down a slip layer and getting in all the nooks and crannies, and I'm using the clear to do that, just so that if anything moves from where I wanted it to, it's easy for me to see it and I can push it back. Now, on top of that slip words, on top of that slip layer, of course, without curing, we're going to come in with that sheer black and just encapsulate. So I made way too much of the black. Actually, I made a little bit too much of everything, but way too much of the black. And the reason it was way too much is that I put too much of the mica powder in there, so it's black. It's black, black, black. So look forward to some black nails in our future. I'm very excited about it. So I'm definitely going to use it all up. It's real pretty. So now it's time for our top coat, and I did actually go back and forth in my mind about gems on here, but I'm so pleased with the glow from within. sensation and look and feeling of this set that I just didn't want to cover any of it up. It's so pretty. And every time I tried to put a gem on there, I was like, no, I don't like it. I don't like how that looks, because there's just so much going on in here. There's a red glow here, a purple glow here, a green glow there. And I think if I put gems on top, it would detract from that. You let me know what you think you would do in the comment section below. Let me know as well. Do you like this set? Would you rock these? Do you think they're very witchy? Are they witch bathy? I think they are. I think they're so beautiful. I love a set that glows from within. And I think I'm going to do something like that on myself real soon. Guys, we're going to see you next week. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.